Hello and welcome to our today's tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to make $100 in a day. In a day. So please stay to the end of this video so that you can learn the full details on how to make your $100 a day. Don't skip any day. But first of all, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Right now, go down below, click the button and subscribe to this channel. Please, I'm waiting. Alright, if you have done that, let's continue. Thank you very much. We are going to focus on EliteZap. That's the site. EliteZap. You can check it on my description below. So this is the site. I'm going to show you how you can make money. This website, how you can make your $100 in a day. For starting, you can make $100 in a day. Okay, right here, you have to sign up and get our $35 bonus. Yeah. Okay, let's check whether it's a true. Let's sign up and see whether we can get our $35 bonus. Okay. Then you put your password. Then you repeat your password again. Okay. Right here, I'm good to go. Okay, this account has been created. Let's check whether we got the $35 bonus. Okay, as you can see here, your total earning is $35 and your balance is $35. As you can see, they have given us the $35 bonus. Very good, very interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your $100 in a day. I'm going to show you how you can make your $100 in a day. Okay, right here, we have, for you to make your $100 in a day, you have to complete a task. Then you have to make post. They will give you a post that you will make on your social media post. You have to go to your social media post if you have created the account. Then, as you can see the details, you will earn $35 per video that you make on YouTube. Let's see how to earn the $35. You click the button. Okay, as you can see right here, okay, right here you can make a tutorial of this platform on your YouTube channel. Then you can use this title right here. You can use this title below for the video, for the tutorial that you make. Then after making the tutorials, this is the description that you will put on the tutorial. Then you place the link here. You paste the YouTube, the URL. Paste the URL here. Then you submit and make your $35 for YouTube. Please, if you don't understand, rewind the video and repeat the video if you don't understand, or you drop a comment below. your question. Okay, right here, for you to make money on Facebook with this platform, for you to make money in this platform on Facebook, you have to make a post. Okay, let's try this one. So let's try making a post on Facebook. Right here, this is the post content. No need of writing your content. They have already give you a post content. So the only thing you need is an image. Then you log in on your Facebook account. Let me log in on my Facebook account. Okay, this is my Facebook account. Then I have to post the content. I already have an image of the platform on my phone. So the only thing I need here is to copy their content. I've copied the content. So I have to paste it on my Facebook description. So you can see it. I have to post. Okay, I've posted it below. I've posted it on my Facebook. I have to copy the link and submit. So as to get my $15. So I have to paste the link and submit. As you can see, I have submitted the link. Let's check whether I've earned my $15. Alright, as you can see below, my money have top up to $52. So unfortunately, I have made my $15. So you can try it below. Let's check another one. Let's check how to make a post on Instagram and make money with this platform. Okay, this is the Instagram. This is the post content. And let me go to my Instagram account. So this is my Instagram account. I have to make the post. And I have to copy their content and paste on my description. Paste. And I have to publish. And I've published it, and I have to copy my link and submit, so as to earn my $15 also. Paste link and submit post. So you can see I have submit my post. As you can see, I have made my $15 this platform. So it's very interesting. You can try it on your own. Sign up. I will drop the link on my description so to see how to make your $100 in a day. So these are the tasks you have to complete, and if you complete any of the tasks, you will earn $4 per task. These are severe tasks, these are bonus tasks, and others. Then let's check on our withdrawal method. So before you can make your withdrawal, you have to reach the requirement. If you reach a total requirement of 100 100%, then you have to make your withdrawal and your payment method. You can receive your payment through PayPal with other ones. So your minimum withdrawal is $100 and your current balance is 67, which is we are almost there. But first of all, you have to reach to the requirement. If you reach your $100 without reaching the requirement, no withdrawal for you. So you have to reach the total requirement of 100%. Then you have to go for withdrawal. I hope you understand. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Tips and Facts Workout TV. Go to your YouTube channel, open your YouTube channel and type in Tips and Facts Workout TV. This is Tips and Facts Workout TV. Then you open the channel. This is the channel. You click on the subscribe button. You click and subscribe and then click on the notification. These are my content. You have to check my content, watch my videos. I'm dropping videos almost 2 times in a week, 2 videos in a week. So you have to check my content. Also, you can follow me on my social medias. These are my social medias links on Facebook, on Instagram. You can also visit my website. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate you all. I really appreciate all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I promise to keep you updated every day, every time. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your staying in this video. Thank you so much. I really love you all.